In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Roku login issues. So if you're having trouble logging into your Roku account, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, the problem might be with the credentials that you provided. So make sure you provided the correct credentials. In order to ensure it, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in my.roku.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Roku. So make sure the email and password that you provided are correct. If you want to see your password, you can click on the eye icon in order to see your password. Simply see the password and see if you provided the incorrect credentials. If you think you've forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password. After you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Simply follow through the prompts and you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. Reset the Roku account password and provide that password in the login interface. After that, you should be logged into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, it might be because of the cache of this browser. So what you have to do is simply clear the cache, cookies and other browsing data of this particular browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, what you have to do is simply click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, click on this option, history. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, history, that you can see at the first. Now you'll be led to the Chrome history interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, delete browsing data. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to delete the browsing data. You'll be able to find the options like last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, etc. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, make sure all these options are checked. Now what you have to do is click on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the data will be deleted. Now after you do that, you can simply go to the Roku tab and log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, you can simply use a different browser. For example, right now I'm using Google Chrome, so I can simply switch the browser. Here I'm just going to use the Firefox. So for that, simply click on the search bar. Now after you do that, type in Firefox over here. Now you'll be able to find the application for Firefox. Click on this option, open. Now after you open the new browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in my.roku.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of Roku. Now from here, what you have to do is simply try signing in to your account. Enter your email address. Now enter your password. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. That means now your login issue has been resolved. So these are basically the ways in order to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Roku login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.